Forgotten username recovery failed on Discover Bank Fix. You go to log into your Discover Bank account, hit Forgot Username, and the system fails to recover it. Maybe it says your details don't match, or no recovery email arrives. Here's the surprising truth. Most people get stuck here because they're using the wrong account information. Discover connects your username directly to the email and you registered with, so even a small mismatch can cause the process to fail. Let's fix this step by step. First, go to the Discover login page and click Forgot User ID. When prompted, enter your full name, date of birth, and the last 4 digits of your social security number. Make sure everything matches exactly as it appears on your account. If the system still says it can't find your username, try using a different email address. Many users forget they may have used a work email or an older personal one when signing up. Next, check your inbox including spam and promotions folders for an email from Discover. The subject line will typically say your user ID request. If it's not there, wait a few minutes and then try the recovery again, since Discover sometimes delays recovery messages for security reasons. If recovery still fails, contact Discover customer service directly at 1-800-347-2683. Provide your account details and identification for verification. Their team can help you securely recover or reset your login credentials. Also, make sure you're using the official Discover app or website. Fake or outdated pages can cause login errors and failed recovery attempts. The bottom line: when username recovery fails on Discover Bank, the issue usually isn't technical, it's just a mismatch in details. Double check your personal info, use the correct email, and reach out to support if needed. Within a few minutes, you'll have your access restored and your account back in your control.